Hello my friends, I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is physiology and consciousness. Physiology is the sequential development of consciousness. Any change in consciousness can produce in the functioning of physiology as well as behavior and even in the environment. Our nervous system is built so intelligently and beautifully that when you shift your consciousness a little higher dimension, then instantly and very quickly it reflects that consciousness in every cell in our body, and all the cells in our body start working in a very synchronized and coherent way. And this system can be applied in medical. Already in the Western and European countries, they are applying consciousness in medical. This is the high time to understand the value of consciousness. This consciousness can be applied in every strata of our life. Maybe it is medical or business or education or relationship, everywhere it can be applied. Not can be applied, it is already being applied in every stratum of life. You just understand the value of consciousness, transcendental consciousness, the field of infinite possibilities, and implement it in our life. You have to learn the technique and technology of consciousness. Whatever I am telling you from the scientific understanding, from the perspective of physics. For our forthcoming seminars, webinars and workshop on transcendental field, transcendental consciousness, please stay tuned with us. Please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get all my videos. Namaste.